Kottayur Shiva Temple, an ancient pilgrimage destination in North Kerala, is situated in the peaceful hilly area of the Western Ghats. The Kottayur temple is located on both banks of the Bavli river, which is considered holy by devotees. On the southern bank, which is referred to as Ikkare, a permanent temple exists. On the farther bank on the northern side, which is referred to as Akkare, a temporary temple is built during the Vaisakha festival. During the festival days, no rituals will be conducted at Ikkare Kottayur. Akkare Kottayur opens only for 28 days during Vashak Mahotsavam, the annual festival of the temple, which falls in the months of May to June. During that time, Ikkare Kottayur remains closed. The history of the temple is associated with Daksha Yaga. The restoration of the temple took place during the time of Shankaracharya, and rituals of the festival were set out by him. Ikkare Kottayur is a formal temple complex like any other temple. On the other hand, the Akkare Kottayur temple stands in the middle of a pond and does not have any formal structure. The Swayambhu Shiva Linga is placed on a platform raised with river stones. Of the stream, Lord Shiva as Mahadev exists as a self-formed deity at a spot referred to as Manithra. His consort goddess Parvati, considered the source of divine energy, prevails at a nearby platform called a Marakkalthara. Rituals are offered at both these sites only during the Vaisakha festival. On non-festival days, the Lord is believed to stay at the near bank, and entry to the farther bank of the river Akkare is not allowed. Kottayur is believed to be the place where the legendary sacrifice Dakshagam was conducted in the presence of all the deities. So a visit to this place is considered extremely sacred. Daksha, the father of Sathi Devi, performed a sacrifice, yaga, for prosperity, inviting everyone, except Lord Shiva. Sathi Devi, who reached the venue of the ritual uninvited, jumped into the sacrificial fire as she was pained over the humiliation meted out to her husband Shiva by her father Daksha. When Shiva came to know about Sathi's sacrifice, he was enraged and cut his matted hair, which he then smashed on the ground. From the impact, emerged Virbhadra, who reached the venue of Daksha's yaga and beheaded him. A frightened Vishnu, Brahma and other deities rushed to Kailas. They pacified Shiva and made him realize the consequences of disrupting the yaga. With Shiva's permission, Brahma gave a rebirth to Daksha and the ritual was completed. The spot where Lord Shiva emerged on his own, Swayambhu, is called Manithra. His consort and the daughter of Daksha Prajapati, Sathi Devi, immolated herself at a platform which is now termed Amarakkal Thara. The path for circumambulating the two holy spots is named Thiruvanchila. It originated from the stream of blood that had flowed there ages ago. The Vaisakha festival is held during the rains. Or, it is believed that there will be rain when the festival is held. Kottayur is the only temple where, according to ritual, the path for circumambulation should be immersed in flowing water. The site of this yaga was subsequently covered with dense forest. Centuries later, hill tribes called Kurityas were hunting deer in this forest area, and he was sharpening his arrow on a stone. Suddenly blood oozed out. This strange phenomenon confused the hill tribes, and they reported this incident to nearby Padingitta Namboothiri's Ilam. Namboothiri told Kurityas to inform 4 prominent Nair families in Manathana village. Kurityas reached Manathana and informed Kulangrai, Akkal, Karimpinakkal Chathod and Thittai families. All 4 members of Nair family and Padingitta Namboothiri went to the spot where the incident happened. Great surprise, they found a bleeding stone in the forest. Ablutions with water, ghee and milk could not control the blood flow, and finally tender coconut water stopped the blood. On consultation with astrologer, they come to know that it is a holy land where Daksha conducted his yaga, and bleeding stone was a Swayambhu idol. The Vaisakha Maholsvam festival is held every year during the months of May. Commences with the Nayattam ritual on the Chori day in Edvam and concludes with the Trikal Shatu. An important ritual during the festival is the Elanir Vayapu, or submitting tender coconuts before the Swayambhu Shiva Linga. On this special day, thousands of tender coconuts carried from different parts of Malabar by the devotees are submitted. The following day, the main priest of the temple pours the collected coconut water onto the idol, which is known as Elaniratham. Rohini Aradhana is a very important ritual which is not seen in any other temple. The priest embraces the Swayambhu Shiva Linga as part of the ritual. The belief behind this ritual is that Brahma himself worships Lord Shiva to pacify for the loss of Sati. As a part of the festival, a procession, Ejuna Lippu, is held with 2 elephants carrying the idols of Lord Shiva and Parvati. After the procession, the elephants are fed well, Anayutu, and given a formal farewell. Kottayur is Nalukettu temple complex where regular pujas happening. Regular pujas and other rituals were to be conducted, and it is believed that Sri Shankaracharya, who set out present-day rituals with his spiritual vision. This temple will remain closed during the 28 days festival and will open when the Akkare temple closed. सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व।
Apart from pilgrimage, the journey to Kottayur also matters. The most enchanting yet dangerous road takes one through Pakradalam Gut Road and Palchuram. Captivating sights of western Gut Hills await in the curves of Pakradalam Gut for the travellers from Kuttiyadi to Mananthavadi. From here, a spiral hairpin road leads us all the way down to Kottayur Temple, which is lying in the borders of Kannur district. Palchuram hides breathtaking views in its falls along with the spine-chilling steep slopes. Two associated temples lying in the opposite banks of Bavali River conduct the Vaishakha Mahotsavam, which is one of the oldest festivals of Kerala, if not India. While Ikkere Kottayur, also known as Trichurumana Kshetram, is a permanent temple with a Nalukettu complex, the Akkere Kottayur is a temporary hermitage erected with hay and wood just for celebrating the yearly Vaishakha festival. The most unique and amusing ritual is the devotees' visit to Akkere Kottayur. Before entering into the shrine, the pilgrims dip in the invigorating Bavali River, which originates from the Wayanad Hills. Even the aged turn a child here. They then head to the makeshift temple constructed at the eastern banks of Bavali and pray in front of the Swayambhu, the idol of the temple. The devotees later circumambulate the temple by wading through the rainwater held surrounding the shrine. The 28-day-long festival conducted inside the Kottayur Reserve Forest commences with the ritual Neyyatam on the day of Chodi in the Malayalam month of Edavam and ends with Trikkalashattam. One of the compelling rituals is the Ilanir Vippu, in which thousands of devotees march to the temple by carrying tender coconuts on shoulders from different parts of Malabar to present for the deity of Kottayur. The Swayambhu will be doused with the tender coconut water, marking Ilaniratam brought by each and every pilgrim after following stringent rhythm. Processions will be held with 2 elephants carrying idols of Shiva and Parvati on the day of Ilanir Vippu. There lie no barriers of caste or religion here. However, women are not allowed in Akkere Kottayur temple in the last week of the festival. Some set Kottayur as their destination for pilgrimage, others for a refreshing journey to explore the forest, hills and composed nature. Either for a holy voyage or a nature trip, Kottayur is the best choice Kerala has.